Hey guys, I probably should have recorded a video earlier when I was putting the cabinet stand together, but I just felt like going right at it and not worrying about the camera, so I'll show you what I've done so far. This is the cabinet stand that her new enclosure is going to sit on. It is 4 feet long, 2 feet deep, and the enclosure is also going to be 2 feet high, so I'm very excited. Meanwhile, this one over here is watching my every move and giving me the stink eye, wondering what the heck I'm doing. Just you wait. So I haven't unwrapped it yet, but here's the screen lid. It is very sturdy. They have videos on their Facebook page showing people's cats sitting on top of the enclosure, so we won't have to worry about the cats falling through. Here are all the pieces. It's bamboo. Well, it's like a, what am I trying to say? A laminate bamboo panels. And then there's glass doors for the front. They're just covered in a brown plastic right now. And these are the boxes that the cabinet and the enclosure came in. So let's put this together. Okay, so we got that in. Now I'm getting ready to slide the bottom panel in. For anyone that is wondering where I got my enclosure, it's Zen Habitats. It's gotten really good reviews from a lot of other people in the reptile community, so here we go. There we go. I got the bottom all done. Now we're gonna start on the back and the sides. Okay, so the frames, the side frames and the back frames are in. So take the back panel. It has this grommet hole here. And gonna slide it into these tracks. Making sure that the hole is facing up. Okay, now pretty sure that I can just slide in the sides. They also have this substrate shield in case you have a reptile that you want to have loose substrate, but I don't do that. You want to make sure that your bamboo is running left to right. And they have these tutorials step by step on their YouTube channel, so don't think of this as a tutorial, because it's not. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is put on the top screen, which I already installed the frames for. And you want to make sure that the logo is on the front, because that has the double tracks for your doors. Okay, I got that on. Now just to show you how sturdy this is, I'm putting all my weight on it right now, and that's definitely very sturdy. I'm impressed. As you can see, this enclosure works great for mini panthers too. Yeah? yeah, I got the doors on. So now it's time to put it up on the cabinet stand. So as you can see, I was able to lift this and put this up there by myself. So it's not overly heavy. The bamboo is really lightweight. And these doors are actually acrylic, not glass, so that's good. So yeah, the only thing that's going to be different, I ordered the Zen mat to go on the floor for her substrate, and that won't be here till Tuesday. And you can see the bars for mounting lights. I might not be able to mount them until Rich gets home with the zip ties, but that's what we have. Now time to start decorating. Al is looking so confused right now in her bare ass tank, like, where is all my stuff? Where did you put all my stuff? Well, young lady, you're in for a real treat. Still gotta move her ceramic heat emitter, but we won't need that till tonight anyway. Let's see what she thinks. Da, 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 da. Look at how glorious it is. Look, this is your new space. What do you think? The UVB is gonna get hung on the inside because that is definitely not low enough, but for now, it works up there. Let me see, I'm gonna rearrange this a little bit, I think. I'm gonna put the tree in the back, right here. And let's put the dinosaur over here. Yeah, I think that looks good. Okay, as you can see, she has way more space than she had before. The only thing I'm concerned about is whether the temps will get up high enough, but we'll see after it's been sitting for a while. You have food in your salad bowl, silly. It is time to give you some bugs though. I gotta clean the doors a little bit because they've got cat hair and yeah, cat hair. Oh, this isn't the grand reaction that I was hoping for, Mal. I'll keep you guys updated. Pretty happy. I think she ate bugs when I put them in her enclosure, so that is usually a good indication of whether or not the dragon is happy. If they don't eat, then it's because they're stressed out and they're not happy. The only thing I'm going to do is I have a stronger basking bulb on the way, because right now, even with her hammock raised up, her basking temperature is only reading 88 degrees, which for a juvenile you want it to be more between 95 and 100, 105. And the warm side temp is only reading 75, and the cool side is 72. So we'll see. Love that we have this cabinet underneath, so now we have room to store all of her bugs and her supplements and her cleaners and extra stuff that doesn't need to be out in the open now. The big dubia roach colony is still going to be under the table where it was before because that tote is ginormous and won't fit under here, but it works for right now. I'm pretty happy. Mal's happy. So this video is not in any way sponsored, or I'm not being compensated or anything like that from Zen Habitats. I've just been wanting this enclosure for quite a while and saved up for it and finally got it, and I'm so happy. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Hit subscribe, like, hit the bell button so you can get notifications whenever we post new videos. I'm gonna try to post new videos every now and then. What else am I gonna do during quarantine? Alright, see you later.